Hi everyone, welcome to VuzzaRe, and in this video we will see some programs on array. So first we will make one array like int a, 10, 20, 30, 40 are the values inside the array, and we will write int I, sum is equal to 0, average equal to 0, and we have int count equal to 0, and we have one average equal to 0. And for this we have inside the for loop I equal to 0, I less than a dot length, I plus plus, and we will do sum is equal to sum plus ai and count is equal to count plus plus, and we have average equal to sum divided by count, and then we have average equal to sum divided by a dot length. So both will give us the same value, and we will print the values, and the values are same. So this is for the array average, and inside this new program what we try to do is, this is our program 2, and what we do is we use a scanner class. Scanner st is equal to new scanner system.in, and we have int I, and we make one array int a. So this gives us an error like C style declaration of variable a. So suppose you are using Java, then you can make it like this: int and then the brackets a new int, and the size of int is 5, and we have for I equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus, and it shows integer number, and we have a of I st dot next int, and then we have int max is equal to a of 0, means it will be equal to the first element of the array. Max will be equal to the first element of array, and we have for I equal to 0, I less than a dot length, and I plus plus. So this loop will continue, and it will check if a of I is greater than max, then it will print, then it will change the value of max is equal to a of I. So suppose the second index is greater than max, means it is greater than the initially max is equal to the our first index, first value, and if second is greater than the first one, then it will be greater than max. So max will be assigned the value of the second number in the array. And similarly for min, we do minimum. Min is equal to first value from the array, and we run the loop, and inside the loop what we do is, if the element is less than minimum, then we will update minimum equal to that element only. So inside now we come up with the loop, and we print the maximum and minimum element, and we will try to run our program. So we will try to enter number, and the number is suppose 12, 23, 45, 87, and 98. So it will give us the value maximum element is equal to 98 and minimum element is equal to 12. So the program is running fine. Hope you understood the program. Thank you for watching.